Isn't it painful when you give your 100%, stay up late, put your heart into every detail, and then nothing? No thank you, no recognition, just silence. That emptiness cuts deeper than words. Sometimes the world claps for noise and ignores quiet effort. And in that moment, you wonder, does my work even matter? When our effort gets unnoticed, we start doubting ourselves. But the truth is, your value doesn't disappear just because someone else failed to see it. See yourself first. Write one line each day about what you did well. Self-recognition is the first applause. Share with the right eyes, because not everyone can understand your effort. Find those who genuinely care and show your work to them. Guard your energy. If appreciation is absent in a place, don't keep pouring endlessly. Save that strength for spaces where it creates meaning. Trust time. Effort is like a seed. Even if nobody notices you, it may bloom when you least expect it. Now close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow breath in. Hold and gently exhale. One more time. Breathe in and out. With every exhale, let go of the need for applause. With every inhale, feel the quiet power of knowing your effort already matters. Carry this calm with you. Remember, you're not invisible to yourself, and that is where true strength begins. If these moments bring you peace, stay with me for more gentle solutions. Until then, please be kind to yourself.